video. And today we are going to be showing off our slime.
And it's Abby too.
Yeah.
So we just made some beautiful slimes, and here we have my cousins, like unicorn one.
Almost mixed.
Next we have my pretty pink purple one that looks like it has miniature blueberries.
Look. Oh no, that's gonna put nasty stuff in my slime.
And then here's my white one.
And
I'm gonna mix it in here.
Trust now.
You only get a little bit.
Oh,
Come on, you get
so rude.
Now my slime's gonna be softer. Alright, so we're mixing my two slimes up.
Oh my gosh. And these are, they're kind of like fluffy slime. Wait, is there like glitter over here or something?
No.
This is a lieutenant's spiritual pressure.
Here's my slime. It's a light pink.
Lieutenant's
No, look, it's light pink. It's a pretty light pink slime now. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, so guys, I think our video is almost over. So now we're gonna clean up the table now.
So, look, let's take the GoPro with us. I'm sorry, guys. I accidentally dropped it. So, I'm sorry. I look a mess.
We made a big mess.
Yeah, this is our mess. I already cleaned up mine halfway, but hers is all a mess. Look, I mean, look at all this. Look at all this.
This is all of my friends' slime, but she gave it to me because she didn't like it.
Comment down below if you like slime. Oh, hold on, the glue's in the way. Yeah, comment down below if you like slime. I love slime.
So do I.
And comment down below if
You hate slime.
yeah.
It's okay if you do.
It's not offensive to us.
It's everybody's opinion. And that's what they like and hate. Alright, could you go put my bowl in the sink real quick? While
But you're cleaning it out.
No, while I clean up all this slime.
Yes, you're cleaning it out.
Oh, let me see my slime. This is my pretty pink slime. And I'm just gonna go. Like that was my slime, guys. So, I'm sorry. Hey, Alright, so now we're gonna go with my slime. And go all around here. All on the table right here.
And now I'm gonna go put the glue back. Hold on, we're gonna here, take off the.
It's gonna be fine, guys. A little bit. Okay, there we go. You can throw this away.
Yeah, we can.
My cousin at her house. She has some like little containers. Oh, sorry guys. I'm sorry, I'm just like a bad camera person.
Look, I'm gonna go.
Here's my
That's why I'm mostly the cameraman. Camera girl.
Alright, now this is my cousin's. Hers is like a unicorn pretty slime. Oh, look at that prettiness. Hers is like a unicorn slime. Comment down below which slime you like better. I'll bring up close this. My pretty pink slime or my cousin's pretty like young.
Okay, I'm back.
So, ouch.
So slime, our mess is cleaned up. So, we will see you guys in a few seconds, okay guys? So, guys, we're back. We just had to do something real quick.
Yeah, we just cleaned up our mess, our slime. I guess I'm gonna have to sit on my glue. And our slime. My slime's kind of like a fluffy slime.
Mine too. It's like a unicorn cutie pie.
Cutie pie. What do you think of names for our slimes?
Yeah, comment down below what you think we should name our slime. Hey, little chick. I'm not in trouble.
We're just getting a little bit of slime off of you. See, it's like a doggy here, and I hooked the doggy. Oh! No.
Mine's so pretty, guys. Can y'all see it?
I already showed them.
Yours isn't that sticky as mine. What are you doing? This is my slime. You're not stealing my slime just because you have a bit. If we made another slime, we could add it to this slime and then add it, and then it'd be like this big.
Do you think we should do it right now? No. We can't try it.
No. Our slime was good. Oh, but guys, are we forgetting something?
Yeah.
Subscribe to this channel right now. Let's see how many subscribers we can get in 3, 2, 1. Have you subscribed yet? Have you liked it?
If we get 1,000 likes, then if I get 1,000 likes and her too, then we'll make another slime video. Then you can see us really make.
If we get to at least 20 subscribers, then we will do a video where we're gonna pour ice buckets on ourselves. Yeah. I mean, but we'll do water or ice, but it'll be cold.
Both.
Yeah.
Like a cup of water with some ice in there, then pour it on it. While we're taking a shower. Oh my god, look, just guys, look, watch. You know how my slime's flat? Listen to the beautiful sound. Ready? It's such a beautiful sound, right? I want to have a sleepover at your house now. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Why, you want my slime?
No, I like my slime.
So guys, I think this is gonna be the end of our video. Bye.
Wait.
No, I'm just playing yet. This is the end of our video. Bye.
Make sure that you subscribe,
like,
comment down below what we
and
said,
press the bell.
and click the bell so that you get notified whenever
Bye,
we make a
guys.
new video. Like it. Bye, guys.